In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change reporter in Jira. If you need to hand off an issue, correct the original author on an imported ticket, or update the reporter after a team change, this is a simple skill that can save time and keep your project data accurate. The good news is that Jira makes this fairly straightforward once you know where to look. Start by opening your preferred web browser and signing in to your Jira site. Once you're on the main Jira homepage, go to the top navigation area, click Projects, and open the project where the issue lives. This takes you into the workspace where you can access your board, backlog, or issue list, depending on how your project is set up. Next, find the specific issue you want to update. You can scroll through the board or use the search bar near the top of the interface to quickly locate the right bug, task, or user story. When you find it, click the issue key or the issue title to open the full issue details. In many Jira layouts, this appears in a side panel, while in others it may open as a full page. Once the issue is open, move your attention to the Details panel on the right-hand side. This is where Jira stores important fields such as status, assignee, priority, and other properties tied to the ticket. Scroll through that section until you find the field labeled Reporter. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to scan carefully, since field placement can vary slightly depending on your Jira configuration. When you locate the Reporter field, click on the current name shown there. This opens a drop-down or searchable selection box. From here, you can begin updating the field directly instead of leaving a comment or making a workaround elsewhere in the issue. Now type the new reporter's name or email into the search box. Jira will filter the available users as you type, making it easier to find the correct person. Once the right profile appears, click it to select it. As soon as you do, the reporter field updates to the new user. Finally, take a quick moment to confirm the change. Look back at the reporter field and make sure the correct person is now displayed. Jira usually saves this change automatically, so there's typically no separate save button to press. If everything looks right, you're done. Keeping the reporter field accurate helps with ownership, reporting, and clean project tracking across your team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.